Barreto Manufacturing is proud to introduce the all-new 825 TKL mini track loader to its line of equipment. This versatile mini track loader utilizes several attachments that landscaping, tree service, and general contractors use every day. This incredibly versatile track loader is powered by a 24.8 horsepower Kubota engine. Built for extreme durability, the 825 TKL weighs 2,950 pounds. It's heavier than most machines in its class, but made to last longer, and it doesn't impact the job site with only 4.6 psi on the tracks, while still light enough for most small trailers. Simply step up onto the machine and turn the key. Then run the RPMs up after allowing the engine to warm up. The controls are easy to use. Simply manipulate the joystick to move the 825 TKL forward, backward, or turn in any direction, as well as raise, lower, or use the attachment. And every 825 TKL is equipped with an operator safety switch and the innovative tip-over protection, which utilizes the machine's incline sensor to shut off the fuel supply and lock the TKL in the event of a rollover situation. As with all Barreto manufacturing equipment, the goal is to provide equipment that everyone can operate safely. The LED control screen gives you the information and quick access to hydraulic flow attachments such as a mower or grapple, as well as provide the operator with vital information such as fuel level, engine temperature, and the ability to activate or deactivate the auxiliary hydraulics. The LED display also allows for high, medium, and low speed selections, and it functions as a diagnostic tool. The size of the 825 TKL allows it to easily maneuver around project sites. It is incredibly nimble while remaining extremely powerful. And while it weighs 2,950 pounds, the 825 TKL mini track loader features a 9-inch wide track that creates 610 square inches of ground contact and only 4.6 psi on each side of the machine, which reduces impact on the job site and gives outstanding traction on wet soil, clay, sand, or even steep terrain. And the tracks are equipped with a hydraulic cylinder that puts pressure on the track tensioning system when the machine is in reverse to prevent detracking. The 825 TKL track carriages utilize 2 sets of articulating rollers to absorb impact and traverse smoothly over obstacles and uneven ground. The mini track loader will travel 5.1 miles per hour in forward and 3.6 miles per hour in reverse, getting you around the job site faster and more efficiently. Fluid changes and other routine maintenance tasks are easily accomplished on the 825 TKL. The cab-over design of the upper frame provides exceptional access to the engine, hydraulic pumps, and other major components. The electric over hydraulic drive control system provides smooth, effortless control of ground drive function. And to make sure that this machine is as versatile as advertised, the 825 TKL employs a universal attachment plate, which allows for the use of any industry standard quick change attachment. Whether you are grappling limbs, using the bucket to move or smooth gravel, mow pasture weeds, handle snow removal, auger fence post holes, or just till soil, the 825 TKL is the ideal piece of equipment for just about any job site task. Whether you are a contractor or an equipment rental dealer, the durability of the Barreto equipment coupled with their dedication to service means that this affordable mini track loader will be on your job sites and in your rental yards for years to come, giving you a tremendous return on investment. Manufactured in the remote mountain community of La Grande, Oregon, the Barreto Manufacturing 825 TKL mini track loader is proudly made in America by professionals that take pride in making the highest quality equipment. From laser cutting the parts out of American steel to the welding, powder coating, and the final assembly, Barreto's professional staff makes every piece of equipment and tests it before loading it on a truck for delivery. Barreto Manufacturing is a company that stands behind its brand as one of the innovators in tree service, landscaping, and contractor equipment.